So one of my favorite coins just became available to trade in New York. Now this is a huge deal because as we know that New York has one of the strictest rules and regulations for crypto, and this coin being available to trade in New York definitely is a huge announcement for us, and that coin is no other than TOSHI. So TOSHI yesterday got an announcement that it will now be able to be traded in New York. Again, this came from the Coinbase exchange. It was already on Coinbase, but for New York residents, that coin wasn't tradable. But now, since yesterday, it is now being tradable. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about TOSHI, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So, we're over at our screen right now looking at TOSHI, currently at about 0.302015, right? Almost breaking even within the past 24 hours. Past week, we have almost been just sideways, right? Regular ups and downs, and even in the month, we're currently up about 20% in the month. But again, most of it just has been sideways action. We had this quick pump in earlier this month, but then just been sideways recently. So before we continue on with the video, I want to take a quick moment to shout out SOLPUMP for sponsoring today's video. SOLPUMP is the best on-chain Solana gambling website available to play on. It's my go-to when the markets are down and the trenches are lacking. All you do to play is connect any Solana wallet like Phantom and then bet directly out of your wallet to play any of their games. You could play their 50-50 Solana coin flip game, their on-chain Solana blackjack, and even play the popular Crash game. And you could also get free rewards every day like this free Solana case and hourly Solana airdrops. They also have their very own token SOLPUMP that you could earn on each bet. If you want to play where I play to make money even while the markets are not cooking, come to SOLPUMP and type in the code Beanie. I'll also leave a link down in the description and the pinned comment so you could go ahead and join from there. So now let's get right back to the video. The news we're here for today is if we go to the X of TOSHI, right, 112,000 followers. If we just go down, we could see TOSHI is now tradable in New York on Coinbase. So TOSHI posted this, and if we go to the original announcement, Coinbase Market posted Pudgy Penguin, Pengu, and TOSHI are now available to trade to New York residents on Coinbase.com and in the Coinbase iOS and Android apps. So again, this is a really huge deal because again, New York has one of the strictest rules. Even if we look at this up on Google, we can see New York has the strictest cryptocurrency regulations in the US, centered on mandatory bit license issued by the New York State Department of Financial Services, and we could see all of that. So basically that being listed, being able to be traded in New York is absolutely a huge thing, and now TOSHI has that as well, which is really huge again because we know that New York is one of the most expensive cities in the world. A lot of rich people live here. There's a lot of business done here, so all of that money will now have access to TOSHI to actually get started trading TOSHI as well, which is really nice for us to see, right? Market cap $85 million, volume $11.79 million as well. And if we head to the website, we could obviously see it's listed on many of the most popular exchanges: Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Bybit, OKX, and a lot more. It's on futures, Coinbase, Binance, Bybit, right? And on a bridge as well. And if you don't know the story behind TOSHI, TOSHI is a meme coin named after Coinbase co-founder Brian Armstrong's cat and pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. So it serves as the face and mascot of the Base chain, Base being Coinbase's own chain, the Ethereum aligned layer 2 blockchain created by Coinbase, right? And again, if you don't know, that Coinbase wallet was originally named TOSHI. So basically, TOSHI has a long history with Coinbase. And now because of that, Coinbase is also making this coin available to be traded in New York, so which is a really nice thing. And these announcements are being made when the coin is in its lows, right? We already know Toshi's not doing much in this market right now because we are still in the fear. If we go look, we are still in the extreme fear, actually 19 on the fear and greed index, still in altcoin season, right? So not doing it the best currently. Toshi is still in a critical line of support right now, right? So basically these are the best times to be making these announcements because this will push people to buy into this coin, right? The best time to buy in a coin is when nobody else is buying, and that's what's happening right now, right? The market is not doing too great. People aren't buying. People are also selling off their coin as well. But if we look at the community sentiment of Toshi, 86% bullish. Toshi is the OG face of base chain. Toshi is pumping ice today, right? We see Toshi's to billions. We see a lot of positive comments on Toshi. Toshi is now available to swap on Let's Exchange, which is so Toshi just gets these announcements on a regular. I'm bullish on Toshi CO at 1 cent. Toshi is my #1 pick on base. So we see a lot of positive comments. We see one negative one as well. Toshi's dead. But again, everyone has their own opinion. By no means is this financial advice. I'm just telling you what the market is telling us right now. We're getting these crazy announcements, and again, these are the best times for you to buy into this coin because this will get you the best prices. You don't want to buy into a coin when it's already pumping or it's already pumped, right? You want to buy when it's low, and that's what Toshi is doing right now. And again, most of the other coins they're not doing too great as well. So these are currently the best times to buy into the market. So again, this crazy announcement we just saw with Toshi, it will do really great long term because again, New York is a great addition to be on the exchange list. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did take a look at Toshi, what Toshi is doing right now, and the recent announcement that Toshi is now available to trade in New York, which is really huge and will be big in the long term. So again, for more updates like this, do make sure to stay tuned and we'll keep you guys updated. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Toshi, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next one.